Hello everyone, welcome to Lim Sonsengin channel. So today I shall discuss about the paper 1 pure math 1 mathematics with the code 9709-13. So this is the paper of May-June 2014 as you can see. Okay, let us just start from number 1. So for number 1, find the coefficient of x in the expansion of x squared minus 2 over x to the power of 5. So the first thing that you have to do is our main objective is find the coefficient of x. So we do not have to spread anything. So let us say if we know the formula for the binomial expansion is NCR, and if we have like a minus b to the power of n, it will be like a to the power of r minus b to the power of n minus r. Remember that the plus minus of the b must be included. So as we can see, we have the n, it is 5. So let us put the 5 combination. But I suggest that we do not have to fill in first the r. So just fill the x squared first, and then this is minus 2 over x. Now we can see that we have to fill the power with 1 so we can get the coefficient of x. If we see this x squared, and then we have 1 over x. Let us put here x squared 1 over x. How to make the combination so we can get the coefficient of x. So let us try. Maybe we can put it this one. This is 2, this is 3. So this will become x to the power 4, and then this is 1 over x to the power 3. This, and then this we can cancel. So as we can see, 2 and 3 is the combination. 2 and 3 is the combination. And then here, this 5 combination, we can put 2 here. After this, we can calculate 5C2. It is x to the power 4, and then minus 2 to the power 3. So it will be minus 8 over x to the power 3. So this. So we can get the coefficient, it is 5C2 times minus 8. And if we see, the answer will be minus x. Okay, that is for number 1. Okay, for number 2, the first term in the progression it is 36, and the second term it is 31. So remember, we have the u1 equals to 36, and then the u2 equals to 32. This is the topic of the sequence. The sequence, so there will be a arithmetic or there will be a geometric. Here we got the clue, it is geometric. So, and then it asks us to find the sum to infinity, sum infinity. Remember that the formula of sum infinity, it will be u1 over 1 minus r. So we have u1 36, 1 minus, the ratio we can find it by u2 over u1. It will be 32 over 36. It will be, if we simplify it, I think we better not simplify it. 32 over 36. So we shall get 36 over 4 over 36. So we can get here, this will be, then this is 9. 9 times 36. It will be 324. Okay, that's the for the first one. Okay, for the second one, as we can see that the progression is arithmetic. And then it asks us the number of the terms, the n, the progression if the sum of all terms it is 0. So the Sn equals to 0. So remember that we have the formula of the arithmetic sum of arithmetic. It is Sn equals to n over 2 times 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times the difference. We have to find the difference first. So difference equals to u2 minus u1. The second term minus with the first term. So 32 minus 36 equals to minus 4. But everyone must remember that usually students like to the bigger minus with the smaller. So they always think like that. So we have to be careful. It does not always be like that. So as we can see, we have the difference, it is minus 4. So the Sn, we want it to be 0 equals to n over 2 times 2, the first term, the u1, it is 36, plus n minus 1 times with the difference, minus 4. So 0 equals to n over 2 is 72. And we expand this, so minus 4n plus 4. So 0 equals to n over 2 times 76 minus 4n. Then we expand it again. We got, I think we do not have to expand it again. So here we have 0 equals to n over 2, and then 76 minus 4n equals to 0. So 4n equals to 76. So n we have 19. For this n, the left one we got n equals to 0. Of course, this is impossible. So we have the answer for the second one is n equals to 19. So for the third one, as we can see that we have the diagram circle, and then for the first one, it asks us the perimeter of the shaded region. The perimeter. So we have this 6. This is of course also 6. We have to find this. So if the perimeter of the circle, this one, we have to find this. We can find, we know that this is arc. So the arc will be theta times with the radius. The theta here, we must not use this one, but we have to use this one. So for this one, it is 2 pi minus 2.2 radian. So it will be 2 pi minus 2.2 times with the radius, it is 6. So we can get the arc already later. How much? 2 pi minus 2.2. It is about 4.1. So the perimeter will be 6 plus 6, the radius, plus with 4.1. So we shall get about 10.1 around it. And then for the second one, the ratio of the area shaded region and the triangle AOB in a form, giving your answer in the form k to 1. So ratio. Okay, now let me clean this first for the second one. The ratio of the area of the shaded region. The shaded region, we can find this is the sector. It is half theta r squared. Shaded region. half theta r square. So it is half times theta, as we can know, it is 2 pi minus 2.2 times with the r square. So we got the shaded one, it is 73.49. And the triangle, remember the triangle area will be half a times b times sine 50c. We have the angle here 2.2, so we shall use the sine of this and this. We have known this is 6, this is 6, so it will be 6 times 6 sine with 2.2. Okay, so in the calculator I got about 15.55, 14.55, sorry. So we put the ratio, this the shaded one, 0.49 ratio to 14.55. So here I get this I divided into 14.55. Here also 14.55. Because we want to get the ratio at the back, it is 1. So we have to divide it by 14.55. So here I got 5.05 ratio to 1. Okay, that is ball number 3.